My name is Barakat Taddasa. I am grade 6 student. First of all, I would like to say thank you for this opportunity. My picture depicted various activities that are performed by German church school students. My picture shows how we are learning the location, different countries, oceans, seas, etc. on a globe in our social studies class. In my picture, there are 3 students who are jotting down the names of the countries by looking at the globe. Thank you.
I am Al-Azhar. I am grade 5 student. Thank you for this opportunity. First of all, I would like to show the students attend their class. The second picture shows one of the students study in the library. The third picture shows one of the students wash his hands to eat his lunch. The fourth picture shows some of the students eating their lunch. The fifth picture shows on break time the students playing handball on the playfield. The sixth picture shows the students playing basketball on playfield. The seventh picture shows some of the students running on the field. In addition, the background of the pictures shows the 2 countries, German and Ethiopia flags because of the school constructed by 2 countries corporation. All in all, I want to show the above pictures to explain some works in German church school. Lastly, I would like to say thank you very much. Thank you.
I am glad to get this chance. My name is Friedrich Ferra. I am grade 6A student. My title is school activity, and I choose one of school activities, learning and teaching activities. And I want to tell you about this picture. My picture shows students learning in their classroom, and they are learning with their teacher friendly. And our class material is so good for learning, so they are learning properly. That's why German church school get very good students. And my picture is like this. And thank you.
My name is Rodas Taddasa. I am grade 6 student. First of all, I would like to say thank you for the given opportunity. This picture shows that students at German school are helping each other study together and trying to solve the problems that they have been facing during their academic year. Thank you.
My name is Buruk. I am grade 6. This picture shows that the children are playing football in the sport field. All of them are members of German school football team. Thank you.
My name is Gideon Asfa. I am grade 6 student. Thank you for giving me this chance. I present you my art. My picture is talking about all student German church school library. In this library, all students come and read. Each of these activities, I draw one of them. For example, students studying and helping each other. If they aren't understand, Teacher Solomon will tell them. So it is good for their result.
My name is Rubel Amsaru. I am grade 6 student. First, I would like to thank you for the given opportunity. I am very thankful for our church pastor. The picture shows one of the club, the violin music club, which has been doing a great work in our school. In the picture you can the students are practicing how to play violin. Thank you.
My name is Radit Talahun. I am grade 5 student. Thank you for this opportunity. My pictures mainly depict the overall school activities such as playing different games, eating together, getting into classes, intern and watching other students while they are playing football and basketball. Thank you.